Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Shopify forms so you can grow your contact list and also get new leads to your Shopify store. So first you can go to your Shopify dashboard and click the settings, and then you can go to your apps and sales channels here, and then you can go to Shopify App Store. And then in the store, you can search Shopify forms and you will find this Shopify forms. You can click this one. And so this is the form and we will use this one because it's free, built by Shopify. So you can just click install here and it's installed to your Shopify dashboard. So you can just click create from here and then you can choose pop-up form or inline form. I will choose pop-up form. So and click the form name. I will choose newsletter. It's up to you. You can just click create here. Okay, in this page you have some options. So you can choose floating or overlay. I will choose overlay and then you can also choose the overlay color. I'm choose green. And the next step is you can choose the teaser. So if I will choose this one, if the customer close the form without subscribing, so they will see the teaser here, don't miss out. And I will choose in the bottom left and you can edit the teaser. It's up to you. Don't miss out our newsletter like this. And also the title of the form, you can choose whatever you want. You sign up. Also, you can edit the content, maybe like this. Complete the form to sign up and get discount code like this. And also this is the field you can drag, drag email first or name first. It's up to you. And also you can delete the first name, maybe like this. I will just delete it. And then email marketing consent, you can choose. I will just leave it by default and submit button. You can just submit or other or like this. Get discount code like this. So and also you can edit the content disclaimer by sending you agree to risk marketing emails or others. And also after success it will show the message, so like this, success, thank you. And maybe you can redirect to another page. It's up to you. You can choose another page, but I will just choose show message here. And then for the discount, I will just click select discount here. And if you don't have any discount, you can just click create discount code here. And then you can just click create a discount. And then you can choose whatever discount you want. Let's say I will choose amount of total order amount. And then discount code, let's say like this. Sign up discount, sign up off like this 50, maybe like this. And the percentage is 50. And all customer, no minimum requirement, and that's it. I will just leave it by default and then I will just click save. And then go back to discount and click select discount and choose this one. It's done. So after they sign up they will get this message. It's good, right? And then also you can edit the content. It's up to you like this. And you can also edit the title. And for styling it's up to you. I will use green like this lah. Cool. And the form fields, it's up to you. You can choose transparent or white. I will choose white. And you can edit more. And also you can add the image. I will choose no image. And you can choose the device or desktop. I will choose all device. And for the trigger, you can choose this one. I will choose first page view, and after waiting for 5 seconds like this. So after 5 seconds the pop-up will appear. So yeah, like this. You can also add a new text, and you can choose email notification. It's up to you. And after that you can just click save here. So as you can see, you have to install the From Theme app embed. You can just click go to your online store, and then you can just turn it on, this one. And then don't forget to click save here. And then go back to this page. As you can see, this is still inactive. You have to activate it by click this one, click turn from on. And after that, you can check your Shopify store. Let's check my Shopify store. So tutorials, and the pop-up will appear in 5 seconds. Let's see. See, it's appear. So let's try submit the email. So for example, this, click get discount code, and the success message will appear after this. See the success message with the discount code. Okay, it was good, but I think I will change the trigger settings. So my trigger settings is first page view. I will change it to second page view. I want the customer, if they visit my homepage, my Shopify homepage, if they click another page, let's say product page, then the pop-up will appear. So I will change it to second page view, and I will keep this 5 seconds, and then click save. And then let's try to open my Shopify store. Okay, so it will not appear here. I have to click another page. Let's see, I will check this one, and it will appear in 5 seconds. See, it's appeared, so it works. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, you can leave the comment below. Thank you. Thank you.